You're welcome to today's video. Today we shall be looking at sex.io question and answer quiz for today, and when we open the Quex tax area, we have the question for today's tax: win 10,000 sex in today's quiz. What if you only bought some mint coins? You're expected to click on it and answer the question in order for us to win 10,000 sex. Already you have to watch and like the video, which you have to click that first before you answer the question, which we've done already. So we click on the question and begin to answer the question for each of them. So we're going to answer all the questions for today. So we're going to start with answer for question 1, and you can see the questions here. It said, what does the script suggest about putting life saving into mint coins? Here we have, it is a bad idea. It said, first of all, look at the question. It said, what does the script suggest about putting life saving into mint coins? It is a bad idea. It is recommended by financial experts. It is the safest way to get rich. So the answer is 1. What does the script suggest about putting life saving into mint coins? It's a bad idea. 2. What happens first when investing in a mint coin? What happens first when investing in a mint coin? The answer is that we have options here. It stays stable for years. It skyrockets in value. It immediately crashes. What happens first when investing in a mint coin? So we take it skyrockets in value. Who typically makes the most money from mint coins? People who, no matter what, long-term investors, those who buy early and sell before the crash. So the answer is C, those who actually buy early and sell before the crash. So now once you finish checking, so now we click on the orange, that's the check button, since we've answered the 3 questions. So we click check. So you see task completed. You can now claim your reward. So now you claim the reward, which you've done, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching the video, and please kindly remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of the video to come.